and welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordan and welcome back to another Fashion Friday. So this Fashion Friday we are actually going to be organizing my caboodle because I got a bunch of new hair accessories and I'm really excited to show you guys all of them, and I'm really excited to get this thing organized. This is my caboodle. I really love the teal color and how it's kind of like marble or like watercolor all around. The inside is really cool. I love how it goes up and down like that. And this is where I usually store all my stuff. But since I got a bunch of new things, I took them all out so I can organize them. And I'll show you guys and I'll organize at the same time. So let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're actually gonna start from the bottom up. And the things I'm putting at the bottom are these scrunchies. I love scrunchies a lot, and we just got these and there's a lot of them. They are so pretty. I got these off online, so that there will be a link down below where you can get them. Look how pretty they are. They are like velvet, and I love all these colors in there. And there are 36 scrunchies and only for $12. That is such a steal. So let's get to organizing these puppies. So we're actually I'm gonna color coordinate them to darkest to lightest. Oh my gosh, you can see these bad boys from a mile away. Look how bright these are. Oh, I need my sunglasses. So I already spot some dark ones. We have a black one and these dark puppies. I don't know why I keep calling everything boys and puppies. I love it. It looks like a fur coat or something. It's just so pretty. Okay, back to working. In this color, so beautiful. I'm gonna cry, it's so pretty. Okay, back to work. So now we are at the really light colors and bright colors, and I just gotta say, y'all, I'm loving this section over here. I'm dying for these colors. Like these three right here, I love them. I think I just love all of these colors, and I have to put this one in the batch too. So I got all the scrunchies in, and I think it looks really good. I love how it goes darkest to lightest. I love the aesthetics of it. And as you can see down here, I made it very bright because I don't know, I knew those were gonna pop, so I put them at the very end. So next we are moving on to clippies. You guys know how I love my clips since I got them. So there's so many of them, so I'm just gonna throw them all in here, but I'll show you guys a few of my favorites. Guys, so I'm really in love for these gummy clips. I just love how, I just love how it looks pearlescent. I'm really in love with these. Also, these sparkly ones I think are adorable. Shimmer, shimmer, shimmer. I also have a variety of clips from really big to really tiny, so I can use them on any occasion. And I know I'm showing you guys a lot, But here's another type of clip, and these are the striped ones. And I really like them because the striped ones are all like pastel colors and really pretty colors. So these might be my fave. I don't know. I really love this little compartment here because it's perfect for clips and small things. So yeah, this right here is perfect, my dudes. And one last handful. Ugh, gotta get them all. The last one going in. It's a purple sparkling one. So next I'm doing my butterfly clips in this little removable compartment here. And here they are. I also got these off of the internet, and there'll also be a link down below. I've been wanting butterfly clips for a long time, and these are perfect and they're so pretty. It is a beautiful butterfly. At night, it turns into a jumping butterfly. So my last compartment is for some just flung, or these are for my barrettes, and I just got these from the hair store, and they're $1 a pack. So these are the first pack. We have 2 of the same pack because they only had one bow, like a one pink bow and one red bow. So we just got 2 so we could have 2 of each. So let's get opening. So the next pack is this really pretty flower pack, and I like how some of the flowers are translucent and some of the flowers are not, and it's really pretty because it's like a pink theme. I hate when it does that. Next we have these flower clips, and these are really pretty because they're kind of reflective and holographic, and I love it a lot. And I love the color theme of like blue and purple. I just love these. So these are the second to last pack, and these are tiny flowers, and they're just whatever colors. So these are the last pack, and they're really tiny flowers, and they have solid colors, pearlescent colors, and translucent colors. And that is everything all put in, and I really like the way my Caboodle looks. I just love the look of it right now. I'm so happy I took the time to organize it, and I'm happy I'm doing it with you guys too. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and organizing my Caboodle with me. I had a lot of fun, and it looks super pretty. I'm so proud of it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Love you.